What is he doing? He's spinning, isn't he?
Felix has just gone supersonic, but he's lost control.
Gosh darn. One minute and 30 seconds, and stable as a rock. Felix, you calling me? Keep talking, Felix, keep talking. 3 minutes free fall, 3 minutes free fall.
Anything. I have been following speed for a long time. Sounds like I had to half out. The laser's smoking up. Indeed, the laser smoking up.
Felix, you're at the coldest altitude. The further you fall, the warmer it's going to get.
I just have to keep it up. I'm pulling my parachute. It was really tough.
Felix, we're so proud of you. You did absolutely fabulous. Absolutely fabulous. I couldn't have done any better myself.